Right, we're back for another exciting afternoon and night of Grubhub and DoorDash. So let's see what happens today. You never know. I know it gets busy around this time, and I wanted to be. Oh, I got an offer. All right, first order is $13 right out of the gate from Buzzard Billy's, good old Buzzard. So let's get it cracking. And it's close too. It's over in the East Village, so a very, very quick trip, which I like that. Should be able to hit the goal, which is $18 an hour, very quickly. Quick drop off for Buzzard Billy's. Make sure you got big bags with you. Those are big bags of chicken strips. So have multiple bags for delivery in your car. I'll put a link into the comments of what I use so you can check it out. It may be an affiliate link, so be aware of that, but you're supporting the channel. Okay, order pickup from Taco Bell, only 5 minutes away, and then quick drop off. So we got a lot of items, but I don't think we got any drinks, so that's a good news. So I'll take Taco Bell. All right, and that puts us over the amount for the first hour, so looking good already. We're halfway through the first hour. Easy drop off for the Taco Bell, all done within the first hour. Made the goal. Here's a tip. Some restaurants have other restaurants inside them right now. They have pop-up restaurants. So if you get to a place and it's not called the same thing, hopefully they told you in the listing, but if they didn't, don't freak out. The restaurant that you're looking at could have another restaurant inside of it. So do your homework and don't cancel or anything. You might miss out on something. Next pickup is an $8 from Menchie's frozen yogurt. This is a new one for me, kind of like the ice cream yesterday. So we'll see what we learned from this one. Picked up, the Menchie's was fine. That was just at a bar a few blocks down, so super easy. La Zaza Indo-Pac restaurant, good people there. I'm picking up a 2-for-1, and here's why, because it's over $20. So that means over $10 a piece, and it's going to the same area in central Des Moines. So that's a no-brainer. You do a 2-for-1 if the amount per is something you would accept anyways, and if they're similar area for delivery. I mean, why wouldn't you? So this is going to be a great one. Famous last words. Like, it will be, though. It will. I had to wait a good 15 minutes to get both orders from Indo-Pac restaurant, but that was worth it because it put me way over the top for that hour. So just got a order from Smash Burger, about $11. It's about 6 minutes away, so should be a quick order. And I mean, we're almost to our goal for the night. So because my wife's Poshmark has been bringing it in today. She's been doing really well. So, yep, you gotta work together to get another easy drop off. I know I have to shave. I look terrible right now, but I'm not out here winning beauty pageants. Obviously, I'm out here winning money pageants for giving people food. Anyways, next up, $10 order from B-Dubs, Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm literally like 2 minutes away, and this is gonna be a pretty quick one. So let's rock. I need a haircut too. Get off my back. I can hear you calling me out. I'm going to Loyal Sons soon in Des Moines. Loyal Sons is where it's at. If you know Loyal Sons, go there and tell them that they're great at cutting hair. All right, let's go get B-Dubs. Off that order in Beaverdale. Buffalo Wild Wings. Found a beautiful new area I didn't know exists. It's like by Whitmer Park, and man, super wooded, super amazing. If Bigfoot's in Des Moines, it's there. And if you like Bigfoot, you should really check out my Instagram account at Bigfoot Society. It's amazing. And I have the Bigfoot Society podcast where I interview people that look for Bigfoot, research for Bigfoot, and do other cool, weird things. So check it out. It's a good thing. The lighting right now is absolutely terrible. Holy mackerel. But that's all right, because you can listen to what I'm saying. I got a Qdoba Mexican grill order right now, $14 for just a few minutes. So I will take it. That's incredible. Let's see what happens. All right, that $14 drop off was pretty easy because no one's coming to their door. We're just dropping it off and ringing the doorbell and running away because of this Corona. It's all right though. I got an $8 order for Buzzard Billy's, so I'll be going there and waiting around forever. Just kidding. Love you, Buzzards. But that'll put me over in the Ingersoll area, so that's a good place to be. It's the last hour. I've done really good today. Total combined with my wife, we're at 130, so that's way past the goal for today. So we'll get that a little higher in the last hour, and scheduled until 9:30, and then I'll go home, have some supper, and hang out after that. So, all right, let's go get that Buzzard. Right, so when I was at Buzzard's waiting, got another order, so I had a total of about 17 from that restaurant. So 2 drop-offs, which is good considering the cost of them. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I had a really good day. After all was said and done, including Poshmark from the wife, is about $160. So that is a great amount to put towards debt. So, all right, see you guys tomorrow.